try this?
So good.
Cheers.
Oh, good. Yeah, cheers.
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 Really good.
I tried it earlier. But you didn't tell me. You didn't tell me that it's spicy. Oh boy. So I was like roaming around ng water.
It's good. I like it. It's kind of sweet.
Let's try a little bit.
Yeah.
Try not put it. No. The middle is okay. This is galbi, by the way. The one we picked up last. Yeah.
Oh, belly.
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 Oh, this is the shoulder na manifest.
So what was the other sauce that you used? Like the chicken?
I think different. Well, I guess.
It's so good.
It's galbi.
It's so annoying.
Here.
Look at the TV. No.
Okay. I'm not looking.
It's literally a combination of Jesse McCartney and then Sean Mendes. Like, this is Sean's song with Jesse singing. Freaking Hannah's not breathing.
It's a Jesse McCartney effect. Like Hannah was all this. A young man's heart is so delicious, she said.
Hold on a second. What is this? Girl. Yeah. Babe.
Thank you. What? Wait, let me check. What is?
Then you tie a knot.
Heard me tying it, but like I tied a knot.
Need anything?
Dave made it himself. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. Let's try the drop. I'm kind of feeling at this. There. Alin ulit?
Sticky icky like some local. I'm trying to rule on the floor. Passing joints under the assumption. Fighting demons on a level 1. Super soaker, that's a water gun. But my feelings had to get it done. I don't care what you say. Who are you anyway? I don't care what you think. I don't care what you do. They do that and lie you. I'm trying to get sick of passing through the pages on the internet. Leave my face in on it, am I really living it? Am I bothered? Maybe just a little.
Pero naiinis ako dun sa role niya na. Pero ngayon pinanood ko na, tapos wala na yung rose-colored glasses. Mas bet ko na yung character niya na tamang
Am I bothered? Maybe just a little bit.
Late Christmas! Oh my gosh, happy You're welcome. Finally, like, they
Wanna go in?
Go in tayo. Oh, dito ba yung...
Oh my god, I just missed the... Do you want it?
Bye-bye!
Picture.